Meaning of grand piano.
Grand piano.
Grand piano.
Grand piano.
Grand piano. A grand piano is a larger and more expensive version of the piano. It is known for its superior sound quality due to its longer strings and larger soundboard, which allows for a more resonant and dynamic tone. The term grand distinguishes it from the smaller upright piano, which has a vertical frame and shorter strings. Grand pianos have become a symbol of elegance and luxury, often found in concert halls and prestigious homes. They come in various sizes, with the largest one, the concert grand, reaching up to 9 feet long and weighing over 1,000 pounds.